when we look at our portfolios, we all want to see it in the green. But all the money that you can see on your screen, it's only useful if you can actually withdraw it and use it whenever you need to. Now, the market regulator was concerned that fraud is building up in mid and small cap stocks, and they raised this issue several times. So the Association of Mutual Funds in India, they told mutual fund companies to conduct stress tests every 15 days for their small and mid cap funds. This basically checks two things. How quickly can a fund manager sell these stocks through which you can redeem your investments, and also the price impact that selling these stocks will have on their share prices. So now each fund has disclosed how long it will take to liquidate their holdings, which gives investors an idea of how quickly can you get your money back from the mutual fund. It basically gives a sense of how many days you can get your invested amount back in case markets fall and people start withdrawing their money. So let's take a look at this report card for a few funds. Starting with India's largest small cap mutual fund scheme, which is Nippon, it will take 27 days for them to liquidate 50% of the portfolio and 13 days for 25% of the portfolio. For Edelweiss Mutual Fund, it will take them just 3 days to liquidate 50% of their small cap fund portfolio and 2 days to liquidate 25% of it. Quant Mutual Fund, which was actually the first to publish its results, says it will take 22 days to liquidate 50% of their small cap portfolio and 11 days to liquidate 25% of it. Axis Small Cap Fund says it will need 28 days to liquidate 50% of their portfolio, and DSP Small Cap Fund says it will take them 32 days. HDFC says it will take 42 days to liquidate 50% of their small cap portfolio and 21 days for 25%. Motilal Oswal will take 3 days for 50% of their small cap fund liquidation and 2 days for 25%. SBI Mutual Fund has broken all records so far in this case, saying it will take up to 60 days to liquidate 50% of their portfolio and 30 days for 25% of their small cap portfolio. Franklin India Mutual Fund will take 12 days to liquidate 50% and less than 6 days for 25%. Tata Mutual Fund will take 35 days for 50% of their small cap fund and 18 days for 25%. Similarly, mutual funds have released their data for mid cap funds as well. So with this, you get an idea about exactly how liquid your mutual fund assets are. Also, it will help fund managers stay aware of the liquidity of their funds and be prepared in case of sudden redemptions, though most of them do this as part of their internal risk management. So experts say that this itself shouldn't form a basis for investors to buy or sell a fund. It's more a way of emphasizing on transparency to keep investors aware and updated so that you can make informed choices based on your risk appetite and investment horizon.